In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a page using Google Sites, incorporating HTML by using the embed feature. This can be a great way to customize your pages and make them more interactive or visually appealing. Whether you're new to Google Sites or just looking to refine your skills, this straightforward guide will ensure you make the most out of this user-friendly platform. To get started, let's first navigate to Google Sites. Open your browser, head to the address bar and type Google Sites, or simply follow a direct link if you already have one in mind. Once you're there, log in with your Google account credentials if you're prompted. Google Sites is a part of Google's suite of tools, so you'll need to be logged into your account to gain full access to its features. Now that you're on Google Sites, it's time to add some custom HTML to your page. This step is all about enhancing your site with content that's uniquely yours by embedding code directly into your site. When you're ready, move over to the right-hand side of the page where you'll find a menu that includes options like Themes, Pages, and Insert. To add the HTML, you'll want to click on Insert. This menu is intended to enhance your Google Sites experience by allowing you to add various elements such as text boxes, images, and more to your page. Within the Insert menu, find and click on Embed. A window will pop up giving you two options for embedding, by URL or Embed Code. Choose Embed Code because this option allows you to paste HTML directly onto your page. For those of you without a pre-existing HTML code, there's a simple workaround. You can generate basic HTML code using tools like ChatGPT to create simple web page elements. For instance, if you're looking for a simple text box or a button, ask ChatGPT for an HTML code snippet, copy it, and then paste it into the Embed Code window on Google Sites. After pasting your HTML code into the field, take a moment to review it to ensure everything looks as expected. Once you're satisfied with your code, hit the Next button and follow the prompts to finalize the embedding process. You can now customize the placement and size and add other properties to your newly embedded element to ensure it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded custom HTML into your Google site. This not only enriches the visual aesthetics of your web page, but also enhances its functionality. Now your ideas can truly come to life, shaped by the limitless possibilities afforded by custom coding. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your Google Sites usage and overall digital productivity. Thanks for watching and happy creating.